Good day, sir. This is John Alfredo OBS IP3C. What I'm gonna present right now is that we will be the I will be the one to emulate, or should I say, check the functionality of my mini library system. So I click start, and we will be routed on the code, like the library system. So as you can see here, I've created three buttons that the user can use. The user can add, edit, delete, save, and also for update. And as you can see here, there's a text field where the user can check on the book ID, uh, the title of the book, author, and as well as for status. And under this one, you can see here the search button where the user can also search what are the books that they wanted to have. So what I can do right now is we'll try to add first a book. Just for example, for book ID number one, the title would be The Prince, and the author is John. And let's try to input the status, which is available, and click the add button if we wanted to add a book on the book records. So click and save. Yes, as you can see there, there's already informations that I've input on the book details. So if you wish to edit for these informations, so if we wanted to edit the title to from prince to the princess, just click this one and edit. Click edit, and let's add double S and edit, and we need to click update if we wanted to update. Yes, as you can see there, it was being changed from the prince to the princess. So if we wish to delete the book, the only thing that we need to do is just click the title or just author, or just like the status, and delete. So are you sure you want to delete this? Yes, and successfully deleted. So for example, if we wanted to add, or like I, I mean like we wanted to search for a book, let's try to add first another book so we can compare to title the frog. So title the frog and author uh, James, and available, save. And yes, as you can see there, it was being added under the book records informations. So if we wish to search for a book, and let's try to click the frog, or input frog. Yes. So after we click the frog, as you can see there, there's an informations there about the frog title as the book title. So what we can do right now is we will try to check on the codes that I've made, or like the codes behind this system. So give me one moment.